First, we got the hike from the overflow parking to the actual trail, so that's part of the reason why it reached 7 miles instead of about 6.5, plus the fact you are starting lower on the trail. It's a very colorful autumn on the way up Mount Equinox today, plus a lot of sunsplash, which I really like. Quite the beautiful sky today that can be seen between the trees. This was the first hint of snow on the trail, which ends up getting a little more slippery and a little thicker as you increase elevation. So I would say the snow line is probably around 3,500 feet right now as far as heading into the mountains. In a contrasting world of white on green, our hero makes his way towards the summit. And we are still walking in a winter wonderland. I love Sunsplash, but it hits differently with the snow. The beautiful visitor center at the summit that was created by the monks. You can even hear it swaying in the wind as it's designed to withstand these brutal winds. Even with the visitor center closed, you can get on the lower decks of it to get an even better view above the tree lines. Still an awesome view, even though it's really awesome if you can get onto the upper decks. The trail down to Lookout Rock was really icy, including down to this dog's grave. Somebody really loved their dog, but this is the path down. It's normally easy, but a lot of ice today. And here is the famous bench and lookout rock. It's got a pretty good view now that the tree line is kind of bare. You can see down on Manchester Center, Vermont.